What are you talking about?
I've been waiting for it like a long line. You search the world and you won't find a nigga like me with a swagger like mine. A brother so free and a nigga so fly. I'ma give you my heart, I'ma give you my time, and I promise always.
Yo, it's your boy Tyrell, and as you guys see, we back in the kitchen. I know it's been a while, but we back. Before I went vegan, I used to go to Chick-Fil-A all the time. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm gonna keep it real. I used to get 2 chicken sandwiches, 12 count, some fries, and sometimes even a milkshake, which isn't the healthiest thing, but that's what I used to do. Now that I'm vegan, I'm gonna make a vegan Chick-fil-A sandwich today, and we got waffle fries. Now, you could easily get waffle fries at Chick-fil-A. There's no animal products in those, but just to show you guys that you can make this at home as well. I know Chick-fil-A is a very prestigious fast food restaurant, and you know, some of you guys, it's probably holding you back from going vegan. So I'm gonna give you guys a recipe that you can make at your house. Very little preparation, and honestly, the oven does most of the work for you. You know what I mean? All thing you gotta do is put it together. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. All right, so as you guys see that we have a whole line of things here. We have some vegan mayo. This is by Hellmann's. I've used this mayo in the past and it is delicious. Can't even really taste the difference. Got myself a tomato. Gotta have that sweet Baby Ray's award-winning barbecue sauce. It's award-winning. It won an award for barbecue sauce. You already know this is gonna be good. And get yourself some bread. You can use hamburger buns you want, but this right here is honestly my favorite bread. This is that Nature's Own crafted multi-grain, get that fiber in you. Baby spinach. Now, some of you guys at this part, you can probably use lettuce, but I prefer spinach. Got a little bit more taste and it's better in nutrition. 2 packs of Morningstar chicken patties. Put that down so y'all can see that. And y'all see right there at the top, certified vegan. This right here is the original chicken patty. And this right here is the buffalo chicken patty. Now the buffalo one, it's not too spicy. It's like just right, you know what I mean? The original one, pretty good, honestly. And they also have a chicken nugget version of these as well. So those are really good. We got some waffle fries. And as you guys have seen in my previous videos, we got some American style slices by Daya. This cheese right here is amazing. You've seen this in a lot of my videos as well. Light Life, Smart Bacon. It's a meatless bacon right here. All in all, a lot of this stuff you guys have already seen in my videos, you know what I'm saying? Only thing that's new here in this video is probably just these, you know what I mean? So you're gonna preheat your oven to 375. I'm gonna make 2 of these, right? One for me, one for Roland, but I'm gonna do 1 original patty and 1 buffalo patty. So y'all stay tuned. You're gonna go ahead and take 1 of your chicken patties, depending on how many you're gonna make. Just go ahead and just put it on the baking sheet. I got 1 original. I got 1 spicy. This is how it looks too. The difference, this one's a little bit lighter, and this one's like, it has like more of a red color to it. You know what I'm saying? So you can have that right there. I'm only gonna use 1. Since I have 2 patties, I get 4 pieces of vegan bacon. In the past, I've made it on the stovetop. You can do that. Or you can just put it right here and let it cook with the chicken patty. And this right here is amazing, guys, I'm telling you. You put it in the oven, it gives a little bit more crunch. You feel me? Put some pepper on there. It's kind of just put the pepper on there. It's gonna give it a little bit more flavor. Then we're gonna go ahead and take those waffle cut fries. Literally, you're putting everything on the same thing. You know what I'm saying? You're cooking it all at once. You feel me? It's waffle cut fries, man. I haven't had these fries in so long, man. Once the oven finished preheating, I'm gonna put that in there for about 20 minutes or so, 20, 25 minutes. For the cheese, when it's about, I don't know, 3 minutes left or so, I'm gonna take the cheese and I'm gonna put it on there. You know what I'm saying? So the cheese will melt with the patty. I'll see y'all in about 20 minutes. Y'all stay tuned.
20 minutes later.
All right, so we have about 4 minutes left. I'm gonna go ahead and take the cheese and I'm gonna put it on the chicken patties. And also I'm gonna show you guys how to make this thing come all together. You know what I mean? So come on over here. Let's check on the delicious, scrumptious food, shall we? This thing up, put the top back. Alright, so as y'all see, it's cooking up, man. That bacon looking nice and crispy. What I like to do is cheese. Put the cheese on there. So I ripped it in half. You know what I mean? Make like a little X so cheese get everywhere. Do another one. Look. In half. Boom. Like that. Go on there. You get cheese in every bite. And this bacon, honestly, it's finished, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the bacon out right now as well. Ha. Ha. Whew. Ha. All right. Whew. So the fries, pretty much done. About the only thing we're really waiting on is for the cheese to melt. But I like my fries extra crispy, so I'm gonna let the fries stay in there. And now we're gonna go ahead and start plating this bad boy until the chicken is ready. Vegan chicken. Y'all stay tuned. All right, so for starters, you got your bread. Like I said, I make it for me and Roland. If you want to toast your bread, go ahead, but I feel like it kind of takes away from the combination that's on this sandwich. I'm just gonna keep it like this, and you're gonna start with the mayo, the vegan mayo. You like mayo on both sides of your bread?
One's fine for me.
All right. Some people like mayo on both sides of the bread, like me. I'm some people. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna put it on both of mine, and Roland, he's only gonna get on one of his. So then you gotta take some of that spinach. Go ahead and rinse it off though. Get a nice little wash off in the sink. And Wegmans, they do a good job with their stuff, man. Sometimes, well, a lot of the times, their stuff is already pre-washed, which is good, but I still wash it again anyway. I love having spinach on my sandwich, guys. It's just so nutritious, man. And it's almost like lettuce. Just got more value. Then you're gonna take some tomatoes, put it up on there. Oh, goodness. Look at that, man. Oh, goodness, man. Why I keep giving them all these recipes, man? Goodness gracious, man. Y'all see that? Do y'all see that, man? Tell me y'all don't see that. My goodness. It just look like it's from God himself. The cheese is melting perfectly down, dripping down the side. My mouth is watering, guys. I'm gonna stick my hand in there and just eat it like that. Burn my hand and all, you know what I mean? I think, what do you think? Think it's done?
I think it's done.
I think it's done. I'm hungry. You know what I'm saying? You can let your cheese melt however you like, but I'm gonna get this right now. These fries, man. Which one you want, bro? You want the spicy one or you want the original?
Don't matter to me.
Which one, man?
Up to you.
I'm gonna make a double decker, man. You playing, man. Which one you want?
Hook it up with the original.
Original. All right, Roland, go get the original. Go ahead and put that up on there. Bam! We'll get the spicy. Bam! Bam! Get that vegan bacon, man. Just put it on there. It's a little crispy, but that's okay. Put it on there. Oh, goodness. I can't believe this, man. I'm really giving them this recipe right now, man. Anyway, then you gonna get that barbecue sauce. Oh, Sweet Baby Ray's. Award winning. What barbecue sauce you know won an award? I won an award. Go ahead and just, give it a little razzle dazzle. Oh my goodness. Razzle dazzle. My goodness, man. Who you know do this? Vegan Chick-Fil-A, man. Look at that. Come on, man. Original, you ain't getting nothing. Taking this. You know what I'm saying? What are you talking about, man? I'm getting all these recipes and now I don't want to listen to me, man. And there you have it, guys. Vegan. Vegan. Homemade Chick-fil-A. Got your waffle fries. Got your chicken sandwich, spicy right here. Tomatoes, spinach, chicken patty, cheese, bacon. Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna leave y'all without the taste test.
Clear, 200.
Shit. Where am I at? Oh, just a vegan chicken sandwich. How does shit taste though, bro?
Like a fucking number one.
Number one?
Chick-Fil-A.
Chick-Fil-A ain't got nothing on me.
Yeah, you need to open up your own restaurant. That's all I gotta say.
Hey, man.
That's all I gotta say, dog. All right, man.
Hey, where you going, man? Where you going, man? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Better hit it too. Also, click the bell so you can get notifications anytime I post. And I will see y'all next video. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about?